In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correct an income account in QuickBooks Online. Getting your income accounts right is really important because that's what drives accurate reports like your profit and loss statement. If a product or service is mapped to the wrong income account, your reports can be misleading, even if your total income is correct. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to fix the income account on a product or service and how to apply that change to past transactions if you need to. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account and go to the main dashboard. At the top right of your screen, look for the gear icon. This is your main settings menu. Click on the gear icon, and from the options that appear, choose Products and Services. This is the area where you manage all the items you sell, whether they're physical products, services, or non-inventory items. Once you're on the Products and Services page, you'll see a list of all your existing items. Take a moment to find the specific product or service that's currently using the wrong income account. You can scroll through the list, or, to save time, use the search bar at the top to type in the name of the item you want to correct. When you've found the correct item in the list, look over to the right-hand side under the Action column. There, you'll see an Edit option. Click Edit to open the detailed setup window for that product or service. This is where you control how that item behaves in your books. In the Edit window, look for the field labeled Income Account. You'll see a drop-down menu. Click the drop-down and select the correct income account that this product or service should post to. Take care here, because this is what determines where sales of this item will show up on your financial reports. Just below that, you'll see a checkbox that says, "Also update this account in historical transactions." If you want all past transactions that use this product or service to move to the new income account as well, select this checkbox. This is really helpful when you're cleaning up your books so that your past reports stay consistent. Once you're happy with your changes, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will apply the new income account to this item, and if you selected the checkbox, it will update your historical transactions too. And that's all you need to do to correct an income account for a product or service in QuickBooks Online.